It's difficult to find a microbiologist who doesn't advise against eating off a toilet seat. According to Charles Gerba, a professor of microbiology at the University of Arizona, everyone is frightened regarding butt-borne infections, but toilet seats tend to be the cleanest thing in the bathroom because we clean them so often. So let's go find out the 5 dirtiest things you may have forgotten to clean. Towels. Towels are designed to absorb water, which works well for drying your skin but not so well for preventing bacterial growth. It would be good to clean all towels, including the one you use immediately after a shower, after 2 days of use. Toothbrush holder. Your toothbrush holder is another source of bacteria in the bathroom. According to a 2011 study by the public health organization NSF International, 27% of toothbrush holders contained coliform bacteria, a group of germs that can cause infection and include Salmonella and E. coli. Sponge. The most dangerous health enemy in the kitchen is your faithful sink sponge. In fact, that sponge is probably the dirtiest object in your house, and hundreds of millions of germs reside there. According with the NSF experts, coliform was discovered in 75% of household dish sponges and rags. Cell phone. When it comes to the items you touch most, your cell phone is a big bacteria haven. Studies have found that 1 in 6 phones is contaminated with fecal matter, even though a simple swab with a disinfectant wipe is enough to clear away that icky residue. Grocery carts. Finally, be cautious of grocery carts when you're outside your home. Because people frequently touch the handles after handling raw food products, experts note that about 100% of them are home to E. coli. Reusable grocery bags are also quite filthy. Don't rush out and buy a ton of chemical-filled cleaners, despite the fact that hundreds of other commonplace items, shoelaces, purses, vehicle keys, keyboards, etc., could join this list. For starters, a lot of them are ineffective. Another is that many of them include ingredients that have been linked to cancer and other health issues. Instead, stress over washing your hands after leaving a public area. When people are out from home, they typically acquire up harmful germs. You could definitely cut your chances of getting sick in half by just using hand sanitizer or washing your hands as soon as you enter the house.